Alright, hey everybody, I hope that everybody is well and safe and staying indoors and this COVID situation will sort itself out eventually. So next is this Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution World Rally car, again by Tamiya. So I built one of these a long time ago, before I started this hobby, just as a side thing to do. And I thought I'd try again with a different one. Well, same one, but try it again now I know what I'm doing. So it'll be interesting to compare the two together. So anyway, enough of me talking. Let's see what's inside this. A horrible plastic opening noise. I do apologise. Alright. So let's see. We have some chrome parts, some red parts, looks like the roof, and for the rear wing, the glass, all in one piece, so nice and easy, and the glass looks good. Alright, first sprue, door cards, seats, a bit of a roll cage, engine parts, steering wheel, dash, lights, door handles, etc. Looks good. Tyres, 5 tyres. I guess there's a spare in the back. 5 wheels, so I guess there is. Shocks, brake discs, brakes, anti-roll bar, last sprue, chassis, roll cage, rear wing, drive shaft. This one looks fun. I like these. I think we're going through a rally car fix right now. Rear lights already painted red, and then the all-important chassis. Body chassis. Alright, let's take it out without scratching it. And there it is, the iconic Evo body. And let's see if there's any mold marks. There's a couple, bit of a raise here. That's not cool. But it looks like you drill through here anyway. So it looks okay. A little bit of work needed, but not bad. Let's see. Decal, already the pre-masked windows. Thank goodness. No side ones though. I'll figure that out. And then the decal sheet. And then these silver decals. And here's the instruction manual. A little bit of story about the car. Decals look like a lot from the box. But according to the instructions, not too bad really. Let's see. 18 steps, so usual Tamiya amount. So, excited to get into this. Let's see what it looks like. Thank you very much, and everybody have a good day.